I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by making sure the smart tag is powered and its battery is good. You want reliable range and alerts. Once done, enable Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, and location services on your iPhone so signals register. Open the Find My app, tap Add Item, then Add Accessory, and bring the tag close. This initiates pairing. It's fast because Find My reads the tag's ID automatically. If prompted, follow on-screen pairing and name the tag so you can identify it quickly later. After pairing, name the tag and pick an emoji so you recognize it at a glance in lists. This helps when you own multiple tags. Next, configure safe locations, home or office, and set departure or arrival notifications so you get alerts when it leaves or returns. Then refine precision finding and sound settings, louder sound for noisy places, and precision finding on supported iPhones for exact direction. Make sure Find My Network is enabled so offline locating works through other Apple devices. Finish by testing everything. Trigger an alert, play the tag sound, and use precision finding to confirm distance and direction. If the tag can't be located, enable lost mode so others can contact you, and the Find My Network can report sightings. If pairing fails or signals drop, restart your iPhone and recheck Bluetooth and location services. If issues persist, reset the tag by following the manufacturer's button sequence or check battery health and replace it. These steps close the loop on reliable tracking.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.